So hello guys, in this video we will see how can we, insert these symbols, Greek symbols, well, the alpha, beta, gamma, delta, these symbols, there are a lot of them. So normally what you would do is go to insert and then you go to the symbols and then you don't have a few of them here, then you need to find out. So what if we can just then doing this lot of finding and searching. What if we can just type a symbol, like if I type alpha, it gets replaced by alpha. So that's what we are going to do in this video, much like latex. So if you are from engineering or natural sciences in general, you this is a video for you, useful video. So let's go ahead and for that, let's first copy the symbol you want. Okay, so the copy this symbol, and this name of the symbol is alpha. You go to the file first, and then go to the options, and then go to the third option, proofing. And here you have autocorrect options. So we are exploiting, the native functionality of the word, and will replace the ALPHA alpha, alpha with the symbol. That's what we are saying. So let's go this and then say replace. Okay. So I had already done this. So okay. So it's there. So this is how you can do. Or maybe let's delete. And when you delete, you have option to add. So you just add it and say okay and okay again. And now if I type alpha and hit space, you will have alpha. Let's go ahead and do it again. Maybe for gamma. Okay, I love this symbol. So you go ahead and copy this. Okay, Control C, or you just copy and go ahead to file again and options, and then again to proofing, autocorrect options, and then again you have when you copy, it's already there. It copies from the clipboard. So just type in here gamma, okay, and add, okay, and then again, okay. And now when I type gamma anywhere, gamma and hit enter, you see space or enter, you will get the symbol. So this is a very useful, easy method to actually type any of these symbols, and you can define custom symbols as well. So that's pretty much for this video. Like and subscribe for more upcoming useful videos like this. Thanks a lot. Have a great time.